Welcome to Light Up Intellect. Today, we'll master active and passive voice with anime-style scenes. Let's learn grammar with imagination. Active voice means the subject does the action. Passive voice means the subject receives the action. For example, the boy reads the book. This is active sentence. The book is read by the boy. This is passive sentence. Some examples of active-passive. Active sentence: the warrior broke the sword. Passive sentence: the sword was broken by the warrior. Active sentence: the girl solved the math problem. Passive sentence: the math problem was solved by the girl. Active sentence: the brother comforted his sister. Passive sentence: his sister was comforted by her brother. Active sentence: the mage cast a powerful spell. Passive sentence: a powerful spell was cast by the mage. Active sentence: the master trained the student. Passive sentence: the student was trained by the master. Active sentence: the hero saved the villagers. Passive sentence: the villagers were saved by the hero. Active sentence: the scientist discovered a new formula. Passive sentence: a new formula was discovered by the scientist. Active sentence: the girl wrote a secret letter. Passive sentence: a secret letter was written by the girl. Active sentence: the artist painted a beautiful sunset. Passive sentence: a beautiful sunset was painted by the artist. Active sentence: the leader inspired the people. Passive sentence: the people were inspired by the leader. Let's look at how active and passive voice work in different tenses. In present tense, she sings a song. This is active sentence. A song is sung by her. This is passive sentence. In past tense, he cleaned the room. This is active sentence. The room was cleaned by him. This is passive sentence. In future tense, they will build a house. This is active sentence. A house will be built by them. This is passive sentence. Now it's your turn. Change the following sentences into passive voice and comment your answers. Write your answers in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. This was active versus passive voice with anime style scenes. Stay smart, stay curious, and keep lighting up your intellect.